little storyteller.
The sun was shining bright on Sunny Gulch. Sheriff Snail, a friendly snail, with big googly eyes and a little brown cowboy hat, was slowly making his rounds. He wore a bright red bandana, and his shell gleamed in the warm light. Everything was peaceful. Suddenly, a little bunny with soft, white fur and long, floppy ears hopped up to Sheriff Snail. "Sheriff, Sheriff," he squeaked, his nose twitching. "A giant tumbleweed is rolling through town." Sheriff Snail, though slow, was very brave. "A tumbleweed, you say?" he drawled in his gentle voice. "We need to stop it before it bumps into Farmer McGregor's prize-winning pumpkins." He started to move as quickly as his little snail feet could carry him. The tumbleweed was enormous. It was round and brown and bounced along the sandy ground. It looked like a giant dry bush rolling all by itself. It was heading straight for the colourful shops in the centre of town. Sheriff Snail knew he couldn't stop it alone. He needed help from his friend, Prickly Pete the Cactus. Prickly Pete was a tall, green cactus with many sharp but friendly spines. He always had a bright purple flower blooming on top of his head. Sheriff Snail found Prickly Pete near the edge of town, soaking up the sun. "Prickly Pete, we need your help," Sheriff Snail called out, looking up at his tall friend. Prickly Pete looked down with his big round eyes. "What's the matter, Sheriff?" he asked in his deep, rumbling voice. "There's a giant runaway tumbleweed heading for town. Can you help us stop it?" Sheriff Snail explained breathlessly. Prickly Pete smiled, showing he was happy to help. "Of course, Sheriff. How can a prickly cactus help?" Sheriff Snail had a plan. "If we can guide the tumbleweed towards the soft sand dunes just outside of town, it might get stuck." So Sheriff Snail slowly moved to one side of the rolling tumbleweed, and Prickly Pete carefully shuffled to the other side. The little bunny hopped along, cheering them on. Together, they gently nudged the giant tumbleweed, guiding it away from the town and towards the tall, golden sand dunes. Slowly but surely, the giant tumbleweed rolled onto the soft, shifting sands of the dunes. It wobbled a bit, then came to a gentle stop. It was stuck. Sheriff Snail, Prickly Pete, and the little bunny cheered. They had saved Sunny Gulch. Later, as the sun began to set, painting the sky with warm colours, Sheriff Snail, Prickly Pete, and the little bunny sat near the stuck tumbleweed. Sheriff Snail smiled. "We did a good job today, friends. Even though I am slow and Prickly Pete has his spines, we worked together to solve the problem." Prickly Pete nodded. "That's right, Sheriff. When we help each other, even big problems become easier to handle." The little bunny snuggled between them, his soft fur brushing against Sheriff Snail's shell. It was a happy ending for everyone in Sunny Gulch, and they all learned that working together makes any tumbleweed, big or small, much less scary.
Please subscribe. Thank you.